Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. New Zealand roots reggae band Catch a Fire recently entered the Billboard Reggae Albums chart with their album Legacy. This is the fourth time the group has made a debut on the chart. Legacy currently sits at number 3 with first week sales of 515 copies. Legacy features the songs such as Walk With Me with Jamaican drum and bass duo Notice Heavyweight Rockers. The album was released on June 1 by Universal New Zealand. Catch a Fire emerged on the scene back in 2000 as a Bob Marley tribute band. They previously charted in 2013 with Best So Far. Now, US-based reggae band High Hopes has teamed up with dancehall artist Sizzla Kalonji on a new track titled Taken Souls. The band feels this new track will give them a big break on the international scene. Taken Soul is slated to be released later this month by Platinum Camp label. The 6-member modern roots reggae band is based in New England and has won the 2015 Best Band in the State of Massachusetts Award by the New England Music Awards. In February, High Hopes released a 4-track EP and has been in the process of completing a full-length album which will be released later this year. The band is also booked for several dates in New England this summer. Now, reggae-winning reggae artist Ziggy Marley has teamed up with Paramount Pictures to develop a biopic on his father, the late reggae legend Bob Marley. The film is in the planning stages and will focus on the life story of Marley's legacy. Bob Marley's life story has been told on numerous occasions in documentaries, including in 2012 when British director Kevin MacDonald released the film titled Marley. Marley died in 1981 of cancer at the age of 36. Meanwhile, Ziggy Marley recently released his 7th studio album Rebellion Rises. The album debuted at number 1 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart with first week sales of 4,304 copies. Can't wait for the biopic. American rappers Nicki Minaj and Future have announced a joint tour titled Nicki Hendrix Tour. The tour kicks off on September 21 in Baltimore and will see the pair making their way across North America before wrapping up in Las Vegas on November 24. Nicki and Future will then head across Europe with a tour starting February 21 in Munich and wrapping in Geneva on March 28 next year. This marks Nicki's first tour in almost 4 years. Nicki Minaj is also gearing up to release her new album Queen. The album will also be the first body of work since dropping the Pink Print in 2014. Early this year, she took a break from social media to focus on recording the album. Nicki Minaj had already released the track Chun-Li that will be featured on the upcoming project. Chun-Li was also certified gold and has sold over 500,000 copies in the United States. Nicki Minaj is working on a new documentary and will be including the footage from her studio session while making Chun-Li and the upcoming album. On the international scene, R&B singer Neo has dropped a new album titled Good Man. The 20-track album features guest appearances from Stefflon Don, BB Rexa, Party Next Door, Candice Boyd, Eric Bellinger, and Romeo Santos. Stefflon Don and BB Rexa are both featured on the previously released dancehall-infused single Pushback. Good Man marks Neo's 7th studio album and follows 2015's Nonfiction, which peaked at number 5 on the Billboard 200. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you so much for watching.